You don't need to be a genius or to have been born with special skills in order to become rich, but you do need to have some particular talents and know how to develop them into real skills that other people are willing to pay for. If you possess these 15 skills, then you will be able to make a fortune for the many opportunities the world offers you. Apply the following advice on how to acquire and improve your wealth generating skills, and you'll find yourself well on your way toward financial freedom. Use your newfound wealth wisely and enjoy it as much as possible. Number 1. Willpower. Willpower is underrated. It's not something you're born with, it's something you learn, practice, and strengthen. It takes grit and determination to resist temptation for your long-term benefit, and that makes it a fantastic skill to use in business. When making choices about how to best spend your time and money, ask yourself, will I be proud of myself tomorrow? Are my actions in line with my long-term goals? Self-control is a skill you can train yourself on daily. So set aside some time each day, like first thing in the morning, and decide what you'll focus on accomplishing today or over a longer period of time. With enough patience and plenty of mistakes along the way, it will become a second nature. Number 2. Confidence. Studies show that one of the key components to success is having an unwavering belief in yourself. While self-confidence may not be able to solve all your problems, it will certainly get you further than any other single skill in life. Whether you're looking for a job or trying to start your own business, confidence can help you get there. As Steve Jobs once said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Number 3. Motivation. You can make money in many different ways, but motivation is one of the most important factors when it comes to determining how successful you will be. Without motivation, you are not going to achieve any success. Motivation allows you to work hard and stay focused on your goals and dreams. If you have people in your life that motivate you, then there is no reason why you can't make a fortune doing what you love. Number 4. Discipline. High levels of discipline are a prerequisite for success. Without it, you'll never achieve your goals or break out of your current rut. Think about it. The more focused and disciplined you are, the more likely you are to succeed in life. More importantly, people respond to discipline. They admire and respect those who have high levels of self-control and who do what they say they're going to do when they say they're going to do it. Number 5. Decision making. One of the most important life skills you can learn is how to make good decisions. It's not an easy task. After all, human beings are often influenced by biases and emotions that cloud their judgment and cause them to do things that don't serve their own best interest. Knowing how to control these inner demons will save you from making bad choices in everything, from your career path to where you invest your hard-earned money. Number 6. Great communication. It's said that communication is one of the biggest problems in today's world. Whether you are trying to communicate your ideas and thoughts or listening to what someone else has, great communication skills are critical. The better you communicate, the better your life will be. Learn how to communicate effectively by being genuinely interested in what others have to say and listening intently. Keep an open mind and avoid being defensive when people disagree with you or your ideas. Number 7. Ability to learn continuously. You won't know everything you need when you first get started, so it's important to be willing and be able to learn continuously. Business evolves quickly, and what worked 5 years ago may not work today. Be willing to learn continuously so that you can adapt your business model and take advantage of opportunities as they come along. Number 8. Emotional intelligence. Being emotionally intelligent means being self-aware and understanding your emotions. It also means having control over them and using them in a positive way. Emotional intelligence is one of those skills that has been found to be more important than IQ in relation to leadership roles and promotions. So if you can build your emotional intelligence, you'll have better chances at success. Number 9. Organization. People who are well organized make more money. And not just more money, but a lot of money. In fact, it's estimated that being disorganized could be costing you up to $7,000 per year in uncollected sales and productivity losses. What can you do about it? Start by reading Getting Things Done by David Allen, the Bible of Productivity, and applying its principles to your life. Number 10. Maintaining focus. If you're studying, working, or busy with family life, it can be difficult to maintain your focus throughout a whole day. The trick is learning how to refocus your concentration at will. During study time, do an exercise in which you try and read for 20 minutes without thinking about anything but what you're reading. Take frequent breaks during your workday, and take notice of what brought your mind away from your task. Number 11. Reading. Reading can help you sharpen your communication skills, build knowledge, and expand your imagination. If you're hoping to make more money in business, reading about topics like management, marketing, and finance is highly recommended. Reading daily will give you a solid foundation of business knowledge and keep you from getting stuck on mundane tasks that won't advance your career. Number 12. Making good investments. Investing is one of those tasks in life that we often don't spend enough time learning how to do. We rely on our instincts or sometimes tips from others, but rarely take the time to educate ourselves. There are three main types of investments: stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. If you want to make your money work for you, you need to learn about these different investment vehicles so you can choose which ones are right for your portfolio. And if you have an existing portfolio that needs some tweaking, it helps to know what kind of changes might help improve your returns. Number 13. Plan for the future. There's an old saying that goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. While it may sound overly simplistic, it holds much truth. How? The only way you can succeed in life and business is by working hard and taking action. So what exactly does that mean? It means that if you want something badly enough and don't take action on it, then you are planning for failure because there is no chance for success in your mind or actions. Number 14. Learn how to sell. Okay, so you've got that great idea and you want to sell it, but you can't just walk into your local store and say, "Can I sell my products here?" You'll have better luck getting them interested in talking if you can offer some kind of proof that they won't be wasting their time. Hand make a few products, make something in your computer, or draw up some designs. Anything that shows off your abilities. And finally, number 15, financial management. Personal finance is one of those skills that might not seem like an in-demand skill. It's also one of those subjects you probably took for granted in high school, assuming it wasn't something that will apply to your career. But believe it or not, knowing how to manage your money can be incredibly important and valuable in today's business world. Finding ways to make money is not as simple as it used to be. With more and more people jumping into freelance work, startups, and similar lines of work, competition is fierce and takes more than ever before just to get your foot in the door. Fortunately, there are still plenty of jobs out there waiting for someone who's looking. Finding them isn't hard if you know where to look, or if you learn how to skillfully apply what you already know. While there's no such thing as luck, being wealthy largely boils down to your skills and attitude. If you're broke, it doesn't mean you lack those skills though. It just means you need to work on them and learn how to develop them. The good news is that there are some general skills that can make almost anyone rich. Once you have a solid foundation of core skills and disciplines, you can begin to explore avenues that align with your passions. Everything from writing, music, art, and design. The list goes on and on. The truth is, you don't need a career path or a stable 9 to 5 in order to make money doing what you love. Have fun with it, work hard at it, be creative, and don't worry so much about money. Well, that's it for today's video. Please let us know how many of these skills you already have and would want to work on starting now in the comment section. We'd love to hear them. And as always guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.